Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making Egusi Ijebu. You can also call it Ijebu Egusi. So I'll start by introducing the recipe to you one after the other. This is my melon seed, Egusi seed, pepper mix, salts and seasoning cubes, crayfish, palm oil, dry fish, Ponmo, stock, and my grilled chicken. So let's get into it. I'm going to start by blending my egusi mix together. So I'm going to add in my tomato, pepper and onions. You can add in tatashe, you can add in chili, you can add in any pepper or spice of your choice. So I'm going to blend together. So by blending, I'm going to be cutting my onions because I'll be needing it for the soup. Then after cutting, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and set it aside. Then I'm going to wash my dry fish and I'm going to add in cold water. The reason why I'm not adding hot water is because I don't want it to be too soft and I don't want it to scatter inside the soup. So I'm going to soak it inside cold water. But feel free to add in your hot water. Just make sure you get it out immediately. So this is my melon mix after blending together. So I'm going to boil it or cook it until the water dries out. Then I'm going to stir together and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. This is it after 5 minutes. You can see it has changed color. Then I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. Then once you see it's coming up, just know that it's ready and the water is completely dried. So let's start making our soup. So I'm going to start by heating some oil in a pan. Then I'm going to saute some onions. Please don't fry your onions for too long because you don't want your soup to be too sweet. Then I'm going to add in my already cooked egusi mix. Then I'm going to be adding in water. Then I'm going to fry for about 2 minutes before adding in my seasoning cubes. Then I'm going to add in my salt. And I'll be stirring together for about 2 minutes before adding in my crayfish. Crayfish is not really necessary, but if you are a lover of crayfish, why not? It's just for extra flavors though. So I'm going to fry for about 2 minutes before adding in my stock. You can add in your meat stock, turkey stock, chicken stock, but please don't go and add fish stock. Then stir and add in a little water. I'm adding in a little water because I don't have enough stock and this is not the consistency I want. So I added in a little water just to lighten the soup up a little bit. So I'm going to cover and allow it cook for 5 minutes. This is what I get after 5 minutes. I'm going to be adding in my Ponmo because I want the soup to cook with the Ponmo. I want the soup to enter inside the Ponmo. You already know now. So I'm going to stir together. Then I added my grilled chicken off camera, sorry. Then I'm going to stir together and allow it to cook. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes. So once you see that the oil is coming up on your soup, just know that it's ready. And the last thing I want to add is my dried fish. I'm adding in this dry fish because I don't want the fish to scatter inside the soup. But if you like your fish to scatter, please feel free to add it anytime. I'm going to be adding it now, and I'm going to stir together, cover, and allow it cook for about 3 minutes because the soup is ready. But I want the dry fish flavor. You know, dry fish has its own flavor, so I want the flavor to settle inside the soup. So this is what you get after 3 minutes. Our soup is ready. You can have it with pounded yam, you can have it with gari, you can have it with semo, any swallow of your choice. Just make sure you make it like this. Please let me know if this is helpful to you in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.